The wall that heals left a lasting impact on hundreds who visited. Our photojournalist, Mike Prince, was the man behind the camera from start to finish.
We promised you that Girard specifically would have a hero's welcome to the veterans and the wall itself. And we'll show you now just what they've done and what they prepared for.
There's about 30 kids alongside the road, and they're screaming and hollering. It just brought tears to my eyes. We get into Fairview, and all these kids are there, and I holler, "I can't hear you!" like screaming. It's the best ride.
Chanting USA, super neat.
All the factories let their workers come out in the parking lots. Everybody waving, all the American flags, Vietnam flags, BOW flags. It was great. It was really awesome.
This welcoming is much better than the welcome that we got when we got home. But it's quite a tribute, and it just brings back memories of people that I knew that deserved it that aren't here with us now.
Individuals are more than just a name on the wall.
The wall is a reminder of the ethnic, religious, and racial diversity of those who served. The country has finally learned to distinguish the war from the warrior.
Patrick Joseph Brophy, Ronald David Mills.
I hope you will leave here with a smile on your face to know that you did the right thing. You stood tall when others walked away. And you can know that you did a job well done and your mission is completed. God bless you and God bless America.